my feet. How can happiness feel so wrong? How can misery feel so sweet? How can you let me watch you sleep, then break my dreams the way you do? How can I have gotten in so deep? Why did I go in love with you? This is the closest thing to crazy I have ever been. Acting 22, feeling 17. This is the nearest thing to crazy I have ever known. I was never crazy on my own, and now I know that there's a link between the two. Being close to craziness and being close to you. How can you make me fall apart, then break my fall with love and light? It's so easy to break a heart. It's so easy to close your eyes. How can you treat me like a child? Yeah, like a child again. How can anyone feel so wild? How can anyone feel this blue? This is the closest thing to crazy I have ever been. Even 22, acting 17. This is the nearest thing to crazy I have ever known. I was never crazy